Hey guys, thanks for stopping in. Just wanted to give you a tour of the Sunset Cove Beach here at the Grand Palladium Lady Hamilton side here in Montego Bay, Jamaica. So we're going to do a little walk up this beach and you can check things out. I'm going to make a few comments just as we walk by, so when you guys know if you come here, hopefully they'll pick up on the audio. I mean, I'm by the ocean today, and if not, I'll do subtitles, but here we go. So this is considered the nicest beach on the property. There are two others, one being an adults only, and then one being the one that has like two sort of coves that come in, but this is definitely the nicest. So right here there's some snorkeling, but right out here you can do snorkeling, kayaking, but you got to sort of find where the fish are. There's definitely fish out there. I snorkeled every morning. I saw some stingrays, some pufferfish, so there is stuff out there. This beach gets super packed in the afternoon, full sun all afternoon. So if you're a beach person, come down and do the towel game. It's 11 a.m. right now. This is also the place where you rent the kayaks and the snorkel equipment. But I heard them saying that you need a $35 deposit for the snorkel equipment. So if you have your own, bring it. There are amenities, so there's the stairs to get down, and there's also a jerk hut there, so if you're there all day you don't have to worry about leaving for lunch, which is nice. Up here you have the lifeguard station, as well as a bar, and behind the bar there's also a station if you've forgotten sunscreen and stuff like that, you can buy it. So lots of seats, but again a popular place. This is where they allow you to do the kayaks. And they have some boats, so they try to keep the swimmers segregated from the activities. So very nice and shallow here. To the left, this is where you'd go inquire for any sort of water activities that you want to do.
I always wait on my side. Right on that side of the
and we can go out here on the pier. As you see, they've got a few boats.
Over there is like travel course. That's the travel.
These boats, they'll take you out if you want to do like a snorkel adventure. I think we heard them quote people off $50 US person. The beautiful water. And again, nice calm day. Down here. And we'll just walk over to the right to finish off the full little walk of the beach. don't believe this is an exclusive area, but very well might be. Not a whole lot of seaweed on this beach, whereas the beach with the cove that's closer to the pool is definitely having some trouble with the seaweed in the early mornings. So beautiful beach down here. There's also bathroom facilities up just before you walk down to the beach. It is the facilities for the fish restaurant Poseidon, I think it's called. And yeah, that's it. We've made it to the farthest side. Sunset Cove. So, hope this was helpful, and please do let me know if you have any questions about this resort. Please like and subscribe if you like listening to my videos, or give me a thumbs up. Thanks guys, we'll see you on the next one.